Go back this way.
Hi.
Okay, ready? Bite down to mommy.
Pedal. That's it.
Watch where you're going. Remember, you steer up here.
I don't need to mommy.
Is this how you're going to use your bicycle?
What's your bicycle?
I don't have a bicycle.
Dad's have a bicycle.
Mm-hmm.
Where's his bicycle?
In the storage room.
We're gonna go get it. Where is Dad's bicycle?
Downstairs.
We're gonna go get Dad's bicycle.
Oh yeah? Are you going to go for a bicycle ride with Daddy?